Look at this amazing pliers kit, long reach pliers kit from Sunex, and it comes in the tray. These have great feel to them. They're not sloppy. They're not weak in the knees or in the joints. They've got a great amount of reach, good action. Comes with straight bill, angled, 90-degree. Couple of hose style pliers, smaller hose, bigger hose, even smallister hose. And then a pair of cutters for when you run into that something that you just don't like anymore. So these long reach, high leverage cutters are gonna come in major handy under the hood. I do a lot of automotive restoration and I have to have high quality tools, and these are fitting the bill right now. These are doing great. This is their kit. You can also order these separately, but I think the kit's the way to go. You get them all in this nice tray and you lay them in your toolbox and you have a good day doing work in your garage. Highly recommend this kit from Sunex.